The internet is flooded with promises of easy money and quick cash, yet most people end up sifting through scams, low-paying gigs, or oversaturated markets. In 2025, hitting that £500 per day mark from online jobs is becoming a reality for many. The internet has opened unprecedented opportunities to replace or surpass a full-time salary. Whether you're looking to build a substantial side hustle or transition into a full-time remote career, the strategies we're diving into today are incredibly relevant. The beauty of the online world is its versatility. You don't need a specialized degree or years of experience. What you need is the right information, a willingness to learn, and the drive to put in the work. Get ready, because one of these might just be your ticket. Kicking things off with freelance writing and copywriting. These fields offer a world of opportunities for those who have a knack for words and a passion for storytelling. Businesses need content, website copy, blog posts, email campaigns, sales pages, social media updates. The demand for quality content is ever growing, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for it. If you can write clearly and persuasively, you're sitting on a valuable skill. This skill can open doors to various writing gigs that can be both fulfilling and lucrative. Freelance writing offers variety: blog writing, technical writing, copywriting, editing, and proofreading. Each type of writing has its own set of challenges and rewards. To get started, use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. These platforms can help you build a portfolio and gain testimonials from satisfied clients. Or you can pitch directly to businesses for higher-paying long-term clients. Direct pitches often result in more stable and lucrative work. Specialize in a niche to command higher rates. Whether it's tech, health, finance, or lifestyle, expertise in a specific area can make you more valuable. Experienced writers can earn 10 to 50 cents per word. With dedication and skill, you can turn this into a substantial income stream. Aim for 2 or 3 decent-sized projects to hit $500 per week. Consistency and quality are key to maintaining a steady flow of work. Build a stellar portfolio, ask for testimonials, and stay updated on SEO and marketing principles. These elements will help you stand out in a crowded market. The more value you bring, the higher paid you'll become. Always strive to improve your skills and offer more to your clients. This isn't just about writing, it's about providing solutions. Your words can help businesses grow, and in return you can grow your own income. So, take your writing seriously and it will seriously pay off. Let's dive into the world of virtual assistant, VA work, a rapidly growing field that is transforming how businesses operate. Entrepreneurs and small business owners often need help but might not want to commit to hiring a full-time employee. This is where VAs come in. VAs offer a flexible, remote solution for administrative, technical, or creative assistance, allowing businesses to scale efficiently without the overhead of traditional employment. Services provided by VAs can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, handling social media, data entry, conducting research, creating presentations, bookkeeping, and offering customer support. You can join VA agencies like Belay or Time, etc., which connect you with clients, or go freelance on platforms like Upwork or People Per Hour to find your own clients. Specializing in services like email marketing, Pinterest management, or CRM setup can allow you to charge premium rates and attract high-paying clients. VAs typically charge between $15 to $30 per hour, with the potential to earn even more for specialized skills and expertise. Aim to work 20 to 30 hours per week at rates of $20 to $25 per hour to achieve a steady income of around $500 per week. Upskilling in popular business tools like Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Slack, and Canva can make you more efficient and valuable to your clients. The more tools you master, the more indispensable you become to your clients, ensuring a steady stream of work and higher earning potential. Online tutoring and teaching leverage your knowledge. E-learning is booming, creating opportunities for anyone with expertise to share. In-demand subjects include ESL, math, science, and test preparation. Platforms like VIP Kid, GoGo Kid, Magic Ears, italki, Chegg Tutors, Schooly, and StudyPool connect tutors with students. Offer one-on-one coaching in specialized skills through your website or social media. Tutors can charge $20 to $50 per hour, more for specialized skills. Aim for 10 to 15 hours a week to hit $500. Native English speakers can earn $14 to $25 per hour teaching ESL. Build a strong reputation with good reviews and testimonials. Create a structured curriculum to attract and retain students. Affiliate marketing leverages your influence to earn commissions by promoting products. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Moosend, HubSpot, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Promote affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or email newsletter. Provide genuine value and integrate promotions naturally. Focus on SEO to drive traffic to your content. Use paid advertising to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Top affiliates can earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Focus on high-ticket products or recurring commissions. Consistently create valuable content and build an email list. Track results and be transparent and ethical in promotions. Only recommend products you believe in to build trust with your audience. Remote customer service is a stable way to earn a good income online. Working from the comfort of your home office or even your garden, you can enjoy a flexible schedule while maintaining a steady income. Companies need reliable people to handle customer inquiries and provide support. This demand ensures that there are always opportunities available for those who are dedicated and professional. Roles include live chat support, phone support, email assistance, and technical support. Each role requires good communication skills and a knack for problem solving. Many large companies are always hiring, like Amazon and CVS Health. These companies offer various positions that can suit different skill levels and experiences. Find jobs on Indeed, Flex Jobs, or company career pages. These platforms list numerous remote customer service positions that you can apply for. Highlight your communication abilities and reliability. Employers look for candidates who can effectively interact with customers and provide consistent support. Remote customer service reps typically earn $12 to $18 per hour. This rate can vary based on the company and your level of experience. Work 30 to 40 hours per week to make a decent income. This allows you to balance work with personal life while still earning a reliable paycheck. Bilingual reps can earn 20 to 30% more. Being able to communicate in multiple languages is a valuable asset in customer service. Look for roles with bonus incentives for upselling or high customer satisfaction scores. These bonuses can significantly boost your overall earnings. Move into supervisory or management positions to increase earnings. With experience, you can advance your career and take on more responsibilities. Use the stability of a remote customer service job as a foundation while building other income streams. This can provide financial security and open up new opportunities for growth. There you have it, 5 online job categories to help you earn a significant income. Choose something that aligns with your skills and interests and commit to it. Explore job boards like FlexJobs, Upwork, and Indeed. The remote work revolution is well underway, and these are fundamental shifts in how work gets done. Let me know in the comments which online job you're most interested in learning more about. If there's enough interest, I'll consider making a follow-up video with a complete blueprint. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.